Thanks, Linz. 5:47 this morning. New this morning, many of you will be giving a piece of your heart this Valentine's Day.
But have you thought about keeping your heart healthier this year? Joel Nichols joins us this morning from St. Luke's South. Healthy heart could be the key to more than just a healthy Valentine's Day, right?
Absolutely right. They have me on this. What is this called, Brooke?
That is an elliptical.
Elliptical. Why am I in a machine at 5:45? Well, it's because it's Healthy Heart Month. That's what we're talking about. And Brooke, you are an exercise therapist. And we were just talking about the fact that we're seeing a lot of different ages now that come through this program. It's gotten younger since you've started.
Yes, in the last 10 years, the median age really has lowered for noticeable cardiovascular disease and having procedures done, and that's where we see the patients after they've had surgery.
Yeah, let's talk about that a little bit, because after somebody has a heart episode of some sort and they go in and they have a procedure or whatever, then you're the next stop for them. And what happens in here? What happens in this room?
So here at St. Luke's South in Cardiac Rehab, we get patients who have recently had their cardiac surgery, whether that was minimally invasive or open heart. So we do tend to take a slower approach at their exercise, especially in the beginning, just to make sure that they're tolerating their exercise okay.
And this is really a place for every age and every kind of level of rehab, isn't it?
Yes, we do aerobic exercise as well as resistance training. So we have patients who have never exercised before, and we have those who have exercised before. So we have to work with what they have done in the past and get them on a program or regimen that will work for them.
And I guess the idea is to try to avoid getting to this point. There are healthy heart sort of regimens and ideas and habits that we should get into, right?
Yes, of course, healthy eating, awareness, making sure you're getting to your doctor's appointments, doing those routine appointments to make sure that you are keeping yourself as healthy as possible.
And not falling off the machine.
Yes.
Not falling off the machine, that's a good thing. Well, when we come back, we're going to talk a little bit more about what it means to have a healthy heart for just the general population and get Brooke's expert advice on how we can all stay healthier heart-wise Wednesday, but every day. And here I go. And if I fall off of this, then I've got to go see a different rehab place. Back to you.
Getting his cardio in.
Handlebars, Joel, please.
Thank you, Joel. 5:49 this morning.